Hello everyone, I am Primka Mathur, faculty of SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Our topic for today is pollution. So first we will learn what is pollution. When we make nature dirty, it is called pollution. Pollution is an act of mixing some unwanted dirty elements in the natural resources. Pollution is the process of making land, water, and air dirty by doing a lot of damage to the earth. There are three main types of pollution. These are water pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution. So, first we will learn about air pollution. From the factories where things are produced, lot of smoke comes out which make the nature dirty. When we travel in cars, buses and trucks, again a lot of smoke comes out. People are cutting trees. Trees breathe in dirty air and give out fresh and good air. The dirty air is called carbon dioxide and the good and fresh air is called oxygen. Now, water pollution. Dirty air from the houses and factories is released and gets mixed up in the river. This harms the fishes in the river and they die. And we will also not get clean water to drink. This is called water pollution. When humans drink polluted water, it often has serious effects on their health. Water pollution can also make water unsuitable for the desired use. Now next is noise pollution. Noise pollution is when the level of noise increases more than the normal level. When the amount of noise exceeds, it becomes dangerous for living beings. Sounds of aircrafts, loudspeakers and motor horns are the main causes of noise pollution. So students, by following few simple steps, we can prevent pollution. So the best ways to reduce pollutions are: say no to plastic bags, turn off lights when not in use, avoid uses of crackers, use of fan instead of AC, plant more and more trees, and in this way we can reduce pollution and save our earth. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment on my video. Thank you.